feast, St Agatha, virgin and martyr. St Agatha, born in Sicily, was a beautiful woman. And the procurator, governor of the wanted to have her hand in marriage, but she refused him because she was a virgin and she was not going to get married. And because he was so angry, he punished her. And he did terrible punishments. As you know, you read the punishments of the saints. Put her on the rack with hot coals and for hot plates. Cut off one of her breasts. And she even said to him, "You wicked man, you cut off the breast of my breast, and you who were given suck by your mother with her own breast. How wicked you are." Right? And then they put him into prison, and St. Peter, an old man, came to her and restored her breast and made her better. But still that wasn't enough. When she came back the next day, they're going to kill her. And what happened was there was a tremendous earthquake in the city, and people were very nervous, and they spared her. She was back in prison again, but there she died. And you may wonder, what evidence does God give sometimes when people die for him? Well, not all the time. Here we see a tremendous earthquake when they were killing this martyr, St. Agatha. The next tomorrow's martyr, St Dorothy, does even one better, in a way. Not one better, but it's a little more specific. She was being martyred, and Theophilus, a Roman soldier, jokingly said, "Why don't you send me a few apples and a couple of roses from your paradise when you die?" And he laughed at it, ha ha ha. And he was telling the boys in the barracks that story when a little boy came to him with 3 apples and roses from heaven. He looked at the apples. They were beautiful. Apples in February are not possible in this climate, as you know. And the rose. And he was converted. He became a Christian right then and there and gave his life for Christ. So these are the little promises that the Lord sometimes, tidbits as it were, to remind us that the only thing that's important in this life is to go to heaven. And that's why we're here. And we want to bring as many people as we can. May the Lord bless you.